Hot Wheels, only from Mattel.
The Hot Wheels 50th Originals collection has just hit the store shelves, and these are some of the most beautiful Hot Wheels cars of 2018. Let's open them up and take a closer look at these incredible recreations of the original 1968 Hot Wheels classics. The back of the package says you've just scored a piece of Hot Wheels history with a special 50th anniversary car inspired by the very first Hot Wheels launched in May of 1968. Since the first 16 cars were launched, Hot Wheels has gone on to become the #1 selling toy in the world, challenging you to go higher, farther, faster. That's 50 epic years, here's the 50 more. The first car in this set is a 1968 Cougar in a stunning shiny gold finish. It's got the black top and new retro redline wheels that give this one the original look. The second original is the Volkswagen Beetle, finished in Spectre Flame Purple with a flat black wide body all around to complete its buggy stance. My absolute favorite is this blue boy here, the 67 Camaro, shined up with a sparkling blue finish on that super smooth but very muscular body. Another hot classic is the custom 67 Mustang, which looks great in the dark red color with a black top and matching red interior. Number 5 from the original set is a mean green machine, the 67 Hemi Barracuda, which is a great finisher for one incredible series of Hot Wheels. So there we have the 5 cars from the 50th anniversary original series. Make sure you guys hunt these down in stores because they are a must-have set. Thank you for watching, and if you want to see more unboxing videos, be sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys on my next Hot Wheels video.